Hi guys and gals. I think we're going to see a buy the news event with the FOMC coming out with news today. I don't think they're going to shock the markets too much, and what we're going to see is a drift higher in the markets today. It might be slow going, but I do expect that. There was some put action earlier this week in the diamonds and the industrials in general. So we'll see what happens. What I'm seeing, we're going to have a. It looks like we're going to have a bullish crossover on our 5-minute cloud on the diamonds. So we should have a natural upside bias. And this orange line here is the prior breakout level for the diamonds. And right now we're trading below that. So I'm thinking we're probably going to come up and test that at least for another day here. And then we'll go from there in the markets. So diamonds looking a little bit weak today. IWN's been acting kind of weak too. We're right here on the prior breakout level on the IWM, and we've been chopping around this for a few days here. And this one here, it's had really good strength in the biotechs, real good strength in the energy sector, but the regional banks have been lagging for the IWM. So if we were to get weakness in the markets, I would think it would show up first here in the Russell 2000. Your SPY, we're trading back below the prior breakout level. Okay, we are getting a bid into the markets starting in the morning with a bullish scenario on our 5-minute cloud. So this falls, we're trading right back in the opening range. As of right now, we're trading right at the lower end of the opening range from yesterday. So we can see some sideways consolidation, it looks like, into yesterday's range back to, and I do think it's going to go back to the high side of yesterday's pre-market. And the QQQs, we are above yesterday's range. Looks like we're fading so far this morning. Quite a bit of bullish sentiment going on in the Qs. I noticed the NDX, which is the S&P 100, was doing extremely well. You don't get to read after hours, but the components to the NDX, those stocks were doing extremely well. You had your Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. Those are some of the main components, top components in it. They're all up in the pre-market session. Okay, let's see here. Let's find some stocks here I'm wanting to talk about. IBM this morning, it is gapping up. Had an upgrade. IBM had an upgrade and it is gapping up this morning. Very bullish scenario here on IBM, and if you look on the daily chart on IBM, it's already moved quite a bit here. I'm thinking the 154 area is probably on the weekly is about is a strong resistance zone on your IBM. So keep that in mind. The reason I mention that, if you go over here on your trading view, we are trading right here on a fib fan area and at a range high area, and it looks like we're gapping up above that. So really looking like the 153.33 area is where I marked as resistance. Looks like we're going to get some upside potential in your IBM. Netflix. It looks like we are gapping up this morning above this fib fan, downward fib fan, and this has been seeing increasing amount of call buying the past week, and we are getting a cross, and which has been acting as resistance for 5 days now, and we are crossing over that in the pre-market session. Let me double check here, make sure it hasn't changed. could be getting unlocked here for a move higher. Yeah, it's still holding up pretty good here. Um, and it's a very tight range. It looks like very good potential that Netflix is wanting to go higher today. Okay, Nvidia isn't moving so far this morning. It's another one on my watch. It's just sideways consolidation. The reason I mention that is over here on my trading view NVDA. Okay, yeah, we came back up and we are back testing the range highs as of yesterday. So there's a chance that Nvidia might be wanting to get that's one of my that one there. I'll wait for confirmation before I make a big trade into that one. Some other ones I'm really looking at because we're seeing some strength coming back into the Chinese markets, and that's the casino stocks. We got Macau and the Las Vegas numbers coming in October, 1st of October and mid October. Um, so they have been. We got a lower or a higher low here on Wynn Resorts, and we're coming into a downtrend resistance area. I think there's a strong likelihood we are going to get a bullish short covering rally in our casino stocks if the China issue improves here. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know that that's something I got on my watch. And then also LVS. LVS should be crossing above this. Uh, what we have is an accumulation area for longs in LVS right below FibFam support. This one here is my best chart in my opinion to the long side. I'm going to buy next week's options for LVS, the calls. I'm going to get the 62 calls. I think that's what they are. I was looking at 62s. So I'm going to be buying those up for to next week. Okay, some other ones. LVS. Oh, Amazon's gapping up this morning, and I don't need to go to my other chart. I do not see any type of resistance until the 202 area. There's plenty of room for it to move. We just now got a SAR cross in Amazon, so I see continuation today, and that's part of the NDX index. Quite a bit of relative strength in the NDX. And Apple is gapping up this morning. And so what I'm thinking we're going to see here, we are breaking out of this consolidation range already this morning. So a run back up to the, oh boy, the 226 area is the next target for Apple. As of today, probably the 224.50 area, possibly. So we're looking at a couple dollar move possibly in Apple today to the upside. And then I also want to talk about Square, which looks like it's going into a parabolic phase. It's gapping up to 97 today. I'm looking at the 102.50 area for a potential top today in Square. So quite a bit of upside potential in that one too. So that's some of the things I'm looking at on the bullish side. I'm a natural bear, but I just don't see much bearish activity to be trading in this market right now. So good luck trading, and those are some of my ideas. Leave comments at the bottom. Like it if you like it. I do want to have your stock ideas too, what to be looking at. So be sure and leave them at the bottom of my YouTube videos so I can look into them and maybe make some money on them. So good trading, everybody. Good luck.